Hello everyone, thank you for tuning in to my channel. Today I'm actually talking about Thomas Roth, Peter Thomas Roth, wrinkle remover and eye serum, because I used this at my event last Saturday and I was so happy about it. So I go like, you know what, I'm gonna do a tutorial and I'm gonna do a product review, because what I learned and what I experienced, I just want to share it with you so that you will also enjoy the benefits of this eye protecting, eye beautifying serum, and also that way you know how to apply, because the secret is in the applying.
Lost in the city lights, our love's electric, right?
You know, I have eye bags, like my left has really bad eye bag, but right now I actually have Thomas Roth on my face, and that's why I'm going to show you how it's done. So if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. My name is Jackie D. My goal is to help you find your better version, to help you build your self-esteem, whether it's through fashion, beauty, skincare, living healthy, eating healthy, lifestyle, hair care, you know, dressing up, feeling good, mental health, physical health, everything that contributes to how we feel and how we look. I'm right there. I'm your Rara girl, because I am your cheerleader. Cheerleader. Oh my gosh, my jaw is a little bit painful. I just came from the dentist today and I'm able to talk now, but earlier I was not supposed to talk, or else I would eat my tongue, said my dentist. But then he said, then that's good, you save on groceries because you don't buy meat. I don't want to eat my tongue for dinner. So here we go. Grab your notes, grab your drink, because you can always pause my video, grab a snack, and listen well. Remember, the key is how to apply it so that you look like you've had lots of good sleep. I only had like 4 or 5 hours of sleep. That's about the only time I really sleep, because I'm so busy, so many things. I work full time. I had a lot of fun last Saturday, so I'm glad, because this Thomas Roth tutorial is actually also going to highlight on that event that I had last Saturday, where I anchored and did interviews on the red carpet, and it was amazing. We were live streaming the entire interview process, and that was so much fun. Okay, stay with me. Enjoy the video. I'm gonna try to put this with a toner applied on my face. They say that you should apply Thomas Roth with nothing on your face. So by nothing, I meant like nothing, not even toner or moisturizer or all. I put my toner because I think I need toner. So we'll see if it will work with toner. I bought this a while back, probably 6 months ago, and I go like, okay, I don't really need it. But last Saturday night, I thought I should use it. So number one instruction is, I have a clean brush here. Apply it with a brush. Don't apply it with your fingers. When I first got this, I applied under my eyes, right? But I used my finger, and so I had white residue. And they did say it's going to form white residue if you put too much, or maybe if you're not able to apply it nicely or smooth. I'm going to put some here. I'm going to just get a little, very little. Because when I put this last Saturday, it did not have any white residue. So I did it right. So I'm doing it again. Very, very light. And the good thing with the brush is that you're able to actually apply it more evenly. So very light strokes, okay? See, I have eye bags here, so my eye bag under my left eye is terrible. Let me just moisturize my face. Of course, we're gonna pat lightly. Because this is what I did last Saturday. I put my toner and then I put this. And then I'm gonna put my sunblock, of course, my LTMD tinted. Oh my gosh, it took me about an hour going there. Voila! I'll show you some photos. Here I am. Well, this is exactly how it looked last night. I love my gown. I just felt so pretty in my gown. So queenly and elegant. I wanted to take advantage of that time, right? Feeling like a queen. So the interviews ran from 5 to 6:30, and then we took a break, and then we had the official program, and then we had dinner, and by 9 o'clock, the dancing started. So my heels, I was wearing stiletto heels, were getting caught up in the sequins and the hem of the gown. So it was very challenging to walk, but I tried my best to walk for you. Well, once in a while, right? Once in a while, we gotta feel it. We gotta feel beautiful. Real happiness and contentment do not always come with a price. Earlier, Thomas Roth was a little stingy, but it's gone now. Well, last Saturday, I was heavily made up because it was an evening event, and I was expecting there might be spotlights. There weren't really. The sun was coming through the windows where the red carpet was. So it's awesome. The sun or daylight is actually the best lighting. So when you're putting makeup on and you have a mirror that has lights that you can adjust, always adjust the lights to daylight when you're doing your makeup. Now, if you're going to an evening gala or event, then adjust it to evening light because it's dimmer. So because it's dimmer, you tend to put more makeup, and that's why it's suitable for evening. You can see though here the makeup that I did for last Saturday, so that was heavier.
Change color, I dive in.
So I have links to the products that I am showing in my episode. Most of them are on Amazon. I now have an Amazon shop because I'm an Amazon affiliate. So when you click on the link and then you buy from the link, or you can go through my Amazon store and then search Amazon there. And if you buy and you're under my store, then I get a commission. The prices are the same, so Amazon is not going to increase the price because I'm getting commission. In a way, you're helping me too. You're helping me maintain my channel. This episode about Peter Thomas Roth is actually featuring my event last Saturday because I used Thomas Roth there, and you're gonna see how my eyes actually stayed so fresh looking even when I actually came home at like past 1 a.m. because of all the dancing. So yes, it worked, and that's why I'm doing a formal tutorial today. Well, there you go. And let's look at my eyes close up. I like this one, the effect of this one. See? I have less wrinkles for sure. The technique in using Peter Thomas Roth is the application. Use a brush, dab, 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 very lightly, brush upwards. And we are good. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you found it helpful, don't forget to give it a like, share, and comment. I love reading your comments. Even when I'm so busy, like yesterday, I was on the red carpet and I could see comments and I wanted so much to reply. But as you can tell, probably some of you have commented yesterday and I was only able to comment on Sunday because I was working my butt off. I was in stilettos from 4:30 to past midnight. This 62-year-old was in stilettos for all that time. So it's about stamina. You want to stay healthy and you want to look healthy and you want to feel strong. And it's all about eating healthy, feeling good, feeling healthy, being positive, and exercise. I'm very active. I do exercise every day, 5 times a week, and I go to dance classes once a week. So when I'm busy during the weekend, I can't go to dance classes. Like over the weekend, I was so busy. But we had a lot of dancing that night. So yeah. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode. And my goal is to just make sure that you learn from me and you're able to apply what I'm sharing with you from my experience, from what I know that I will test first before I share with you so that I'm able to give you neutral feedback. And there you go. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. And that way, when I come up with a new video, you are right there receiving the information that just might be meant for you. Para tu. So everything is for you. I'm here because of you, and I thank you. So take care. I hope you follow me on my other social media platforms, Instagram at The Real D, TikTok at The Real D, and my Facebook page, Building Self-Esteem on Social Media. Bye, bye, bye. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now.